Not a lot of people use Flash for wireframing, but I think that it's one of those tools that's been, because of the what people actually primarily use it for. Some people don't think of it as a good wireframing tool, but I think that if you were to kind of look at it a little bit differently, you could see all the different native functionality that it has. It's great for wireframing. The main one I'm just going to focus on today is the ability to put objects instead of objects, and also how great it is for repetition. So here I've created this one object, and now if I edit this one, whatever I do to it, the, um, the edits are then carried out through the rest of them. This one is then showing the hierarchy of it. So if I change one here in this particular set, then that's carried out in this other set that you see here. And I can do the same if I copy and paste that. Now I have one more set and one more set, whatever I want. Then I can turn that into a set and do something unique and then copy that set. So I think when you have larger sites, tons of information, a lot of repetition, that has a lot of value. And I'll show you just real quick how to add a new object in here if you're not familiar with Flash. Let's say I just want to add a, tweet me button or something. So you go, well, let's try it again. You want to name these things properly. I haven't done that yet in mine, and this is a really preliminary wireframe for something, so don't take this seriously. But let's say in all these, instead of the read more, I want a tweet me button. All you do is you place this object inside. The coolest thing about this is that when you change your mind and you want to change this, let's say you have the same exact object in, for whatever reason, in here. If you then go and you change it here, because you contain it within the object, it'll go and change it in all the different places. You see it's changed the color there, which I think has a huge amount of value, because a lot of times there's repetition in not only styles, but also the same exact object existing in multiple places. And with the timeline feature of Flash, you can have something like 50 different instances, and you change it in one spot, it could literally change it in 200 spots that you'd otherwise would have to go in with Photoshop manually and change them one by one by one. And I think this saves people a lot of time, and it's worth giving a shot.